With its combination of style, elegance, upscale feel, and impressive driving dynamics, this small hatchback has always been a favorite among enthusiasts who don't want to overpay for premium badges. And now, with the new generation around the corner, things get even better, because the Japanese automaker has addressed every complaint owners had about the outgoing model. Stay with us and find out 7 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Mazda 3 is a genius move. Number 7. Hybrid powertrain finally arrives. After several years of development, the 2026 Mazda 3 introduces the model's first hybrid powertrain option. While many competitors have offered hybrid variants for some time, Mazda has methodically developed a system that maintains the driving characteristics associated with the brand. 2 potential approaches exist for this electrification strategy. One option involves implementing Toyota's established hybrid system, similar to that found in the CX-50, which combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to produce 219 horsepower. This would provide Mazda with a proven system that has demonstrated reliability. The alternative is Mazda's proprietary hybrid system, currently under development. This approach would be consistent with Mazda's engineering philosophy that emphasizes driver engagement alongside efficiency improvements. The system reportedly focuses on maintaining road feel and responsiveness, utilizing electric assistance to complement rather than override the mechanical connection that characterizes Mazda vehicles. This addition improves fuel economy metrics while enhancing performance capabilities at the same time, providing practical benefits that make the next generation model a consideration for potential buyers. The integration of hybrid technology represents a significant technical milestone for the Mazda 3 model line. It demonstrates Mazda's adaptation to changing consumer preferences and regulatory requirements while maintaining its distinct brand identity and driving philosophy. The engineering approach applied to this powertrain development reveals Mazda's careful balance between embracing new technology and preserving the driving characteristics that differentiate its products from competitors' offerings. Number 6. Next-generation Skyactive Z engines. For those preferring conventional powertrains, the 2026 Mazda 3 introduces noteworthy advancements in internal combustion technology. The new Skyactiv Z engines are set to replace the current G-Series units, with technical improvements focused on performance and efficiency. The primary engineering advancement centers on the Lambda 1 combustion method, a system designed to achieve optimal air-to-fuel ratios for improved combustion efficiency. This approach is intended to deliver enhanced throttle response, reduced fuel consumption, and lower emissions, addressing 3 key areas simultaneously. While official specifications are still to come, industry reports indicate these engines achieve 15 to 20% better efficiency alongside increased power output. The standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine currently produces 191 horsepower, suggesting potential output increases with concurrent improvements in fuel economy. Similar proportional enhancements would apply to turbocharged variants. Complementing the engine development is the transition from the current 6-speed automatic to a new 8-speed transmission. The expanded gear range should provide improved acceleration and reduced engine speeds during highway driving, addressing a technical area where the current model has fallen behind industry standards. Number 5. Redesigned suspension addresses ride quality. The current Mazda 3 generation introduced a notable mechanical change: the replacement of the previous multi-link rear suspension with a torsion beam configuration. This engineering decision helped maintain competitive pricing, but resulted in compromised ride quality on uneven surfaces, creating a disconnect with the vehicle's otherwise refined character. For the 2026 model, engineering modifications target this specific area. The updated Mazda 3 features substantial suspension revisions aimed at improving the balance between ride compliance and handling precision. While Mazda has not specified whether a return to multi-link architecture is planned, it's pretty much a certain thing, and these modifications certainly enhance ride quality while preserving the responsive handling characteristics. This mechanical refinement would improve everyday usability in varying road conditions while maintaining the vehicle's dynamic capabilities. The changes would particularly benefit those who have found the current suspension calibration excessively firm on typical road surfaces. The suspension redesign represents an acknowledgement from Mazda that the current torsion beam setup, while cost-effective, has not fully satisfied owner expectations regarding ride quality. The decision to address this aspect specifically suggests responsiveness to customer feedback and recognition that, despite the cost implications, certain mechanical foundations must meet predetermined quality standards to maintain brand positioning. This development may indicate a recalibration of Mazda's value engineering approach, prioritizing certain performance aspects, even when they require additional investment. Number 4. Upgraded infotainment system. One area where the current Mazda 3 has fallen behind industry developments is its infotainment technology. Despite its aesthetically pleasing design, the existing system exhibits processing limitations and functional constraints compared to newer competitors, with documented instances of response lag and outdated interface elements. The 2026 model is set to implement significant technology updates. We are about to see a curved display panel that incorporates both the instrument cluster and a larger central information screen, representing a substantial modernization of the interior interface. This hardware upgrade enables improved system responsiveness and enhanced feature integration. But Mazda plans to maintain its philosophy of incorporating physical control interfaces rather than transitioning entirely to touch-based interaction. The existing rotary controller receives functional refinements for improved compatibility with smartphone integration systems, while preserving the safety advantages of minimizing screen interactions while driving. The current system's performance limitations and visual presentation are addressed through hardware and software advancements. These updates bring the vehicle's technology interface more in line with contemporary expectations and standards established in competitive segments. The infotainment system revision arrives at a critical juncture when such technology has become increasingly central to consumer purchase decisions. Modern vehicle owners interact with these systems extensively during each journey, making their functionality, intuitive design, and responsiveness crucial aspects of ownership satisfaction. Mazda's decision to retain physical control interfaces while updating display technology and processing capabilities demonstrates a commitment to balancing technological advancement with practical human factors, a philosophy consistent with the brand's overall approach to vehicle development that prioritizes driver engagement over technological novelty for its own sake. Number 3. Interior space and visibility enhancements. The current Mazda 3's exterior styling creates certain functional limitations, most notably the substantial C-pillar that reduces rearward visibility and contributes to a more enclosed feeling for rear occupants. The 2026 model revision addresses these practical considerations while maintaining the vehicle's distinctive design language. Engineering modifications to the C-pillar structure incorporate expanded glass areas, improving sightlines for the driver and reducing the confined sensation for rear passengers. This modification represents a targeted improvement to daily usability that preserves the vehicle's established design identity. The interior packaging is also set for reconfiguration. While external dimensions remain largely consistent with the current model, interior space utilization has been reconsidered to provide improved rear passenger accommodation in terms of both head and legroom, addressing a notable limitation of the existing design. The cargo capacity also increases beyond the current 20 cubic feet specification. These practical improvements represent incremental but meaningful adjustments to the vehicle's everyday functionality and utility rather than visually prominent marketing features. Number 2. Evolved exterior design. The current Mazda 3 established a strong design foundation, recognized with the World Car Design of the Year award upon its introduction. The approach to the 2026 model follows an evolutionary design philosophy that refines the existing aesthetic, while implementing targeted improvements to address specific functional limitations. Development information indicates updates to the front fascia incorporating revised LED lighting elements and a modified grille design with integrated illumination features. The distinctive side profile maintains its essential character while receiving proportional adjustments that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. The rear section features redesigned lighting assemblies and bumper structure that enhance the established design language. This measured approach to styling revision offers potential longevity benefits. While many manufacturers pursue attention-generating design directions that may quickly become dated, Mazda's restrained approach to styling typically results in designs that maintain visual relevance over extended ownership periods. These design modifications serve multiple purposes beyond aesthetic considerations. Many contribute to functional improvements in aerodynamic efficiency, outward visibility, and interior space utilization, reflecting a design methodology that balances form and function. The exterior design evolution demonstrates Mazda's understanding of design equity and brand consistency. Rather than pursuing radical styling changes that could alienate existing customers, the measured updates respect the established visual identity while implementing practical improvements. This approach acknowledges that the current design remains visually competitive in the marketplace, but benefits from specific refinements to address functional limitations identified through customer feedback and internal evaluation processes. The restraint shown in exterior redesign also likely allows Mazda to direct development resources toward other areas that may yield greater customer satisfaction improvements, such as powertrain efficiency and interior technology. Number 1. Competitive pricing structure. Despite the various improvements planned for the 2026 model, the new Mazda 3 maintains a competitive price position. Mazda maintains similar entry-level pricing, around $25,000, positioning the vehicle comparably to the current generation, despite the implemented upgrades. The hybrid variant will also be positioned to offer relative value within its category. Unlike some manufacturers that apply substantial price premiums to electrified models, the Mazda 3 hybrid is targeted to remain below $40,000, even in higher specification configurations. This positioning would make advanced powertrain technology accessible to a broader segment of potential buyers. And keep in mind that this is just one of several Mazda models that's coming with big novelties for the next year. Check out this video about the Mazda CX-30, which you can now see on the screen. This stylish subcompact crossover is coming with significant updates, outshining the outgoing model. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.